Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Imagefx update. Right, please click on the subscribe button now so that you can have these videos on your dashboard every time you come onto YouTube. All right, in today's video I just want to show you how you can create wonderful, stunning thumbnails just like this you can see on your screen. All right, so let's go. But remember, we're using AI. You're not going to design, you don't need a skill. Just use AI, give it the prompt, and then you have these beautiful thumbnails I just showed you. All right guys, so the website I'll be using, the AI I'm using to generate it is Poe, P-O-E. All right, so to get an account you just type poe.com on your Google search bar. All right, so immediately you do that, look at it here, P-O-E. All right, immediately you do that, just hit enter, and then this website will open. You can ask to sign in also. So now I don't know the actual prompt I want to use, so I want to ask this Poe, this AI, to give me a prompt. You understand? So I'll just give him an idea. So I say, give me a prompt that I can use to generate a YouTube thumbnail. All right, so it's just going to generate it for me. So I want that a man to be there where the man is opening his mouth, and I want a black man. So I just explain, and then after explanation, you know what this AI is going to do? The AI is definitely going to generate the prompt that I will use to send to the other AI that will generate the thumbnail. So this is the prompt he gave to me: create a dynamic YouTube thumbnail. Create a dynamic YouTube thumbnail featuring bold text that reads how to make money online. Include a photo of a surprised man that opens his mouth. So I'm just going to copy this. All right, I'm just going to copy this and move to the next stage. All right guys, so the next stage now, after complete, we will have to go to the next AI, and this AI, this website is called Imagefx. All right, now look, orientation has to be on what? Landscape, to have that on. But if you want to do for other sizes, you can tweak the landscape there and then choose the aspect ratio and select the one you think. So I just pasted the text that I copied from Poe, my AI, the one is suggested for me. I just pasted it now. Okay, now since I just posted it, now the next thing that is going to happen, I think we said how to make money. All right, but I want to edit this prompt that he gave to me. I want to edit it to how to make 1,000 subscribers, right? 1,000 subscribers, you know, now 1,000 subscribers. So let's do that. So I'm just going to edit some things here. Please remember, this Imagefx is flexible. It can even do flyers for you. You can choose the size, aspect ratio, like Instagram size. You can use what is it called, YouTube size also. And you know all these sizes. In as much as you know what you want to create, you can do that. So I want to take how to make money away. Then I will just type in how to get 1,000 subscribers, right? 1,000 subscribers. So that's what I just did now, and then I just want to do some edit to the prompt so that I can really fit it into what I want. All right, now I think I'm going to work on this place that he said, a photo of a surprised man. All right, I want it to be photo of a surprised black man. All right, photo of a surprised black man. Good. And then I think I'll have to scroll down, say expressing excitement, incorporate visuals like dollar signs and a laptop in the background. Right, use bright colors like green and yellow to grab. So I think let me change it to red and white, since we are talking about subscribers and it's YouTube. So let's use YouTube's color, which is red and what? White. Now this is to grab the attention. Say red and white to grab attention, ensuring the design is engaging and easy to read even when it's at smaller size. So I just hit create now. Let's see the result. So immediately you hit create, just wait in a few seconds. It's generating now. In a few seconds, boom. All right guys, how did you find this? This is massive, this is great, this is clean, and this can increase your click-through rate. All right, people will want to click on your videos with this kind of beautiful, attractive thumbnail. So if you want to download it, just for you to click on this download button ASAP, it goes to your phone, and then what is next? You can upload it direct to your YouTube video. For most those people that like doing faceless YouTube channel, you can do this because you don't want to show your face. Even though you're doing the one you're showing your face, you can also do this. You can give it a prompt with that the face of a human. So try this and let me know in the comment section if it was very easy. Thank you. Bye bye.